I've sewed the side seam of my vest, and I started in the lining. I had it pinned at the notch, and I came down to the side seam, and I continued, and you just have to keep readjusting this as you're sewing. And it's a 5/8 inch seam. I've backstitched at the beginning and the end. When I got down to the vest lining again, I sewed some of that closed. If as you're doing this your seam gets off the 5/8, you can go back and repair that. When you're done sewing, you push that in, and you have an opening in the vest lining, and you want to turn all your seam allowances towards the front of the vest. These seams don't get trimmed, and they don't need to be pressed open. So you're going to turn your seams towards the front. That lets your tie lay flat, and then you're going to press it down, and once you get it pressed down, you're going to pin it and close it with a slip stitch. Remember, that's hidden. It will be nearly invisible, and your vest is ready to make your buttonholes.